Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We associate with all kinds. We might be anyone. We are pervasively present. Our true minds abide in uncontrived secrecy, in an infinite palace that has no border or center. We dwell within the heart essence of magnificent self-origination. Our playfulness is not recognized. Where there is nothing whatsoever, anything at all may happen. The heart essence of our wisdom is the dawning of the sun. This is the great circle that leaves no one out. We do not contemplate, we do not purify. This is how it is. To be uncontrived and uncorrupted is the meaning of secrecy. We are all the true spirit of the circle. We expand through ourselves and contract into our dominions. This is not for ourselves. We are great spirits. We do not seek for something that is self-originating. That is how it is. The space of the bodhicitta is pervasive. The teachings on the 9 spaces are perfected in the one. We come together, but we do not abide by any growing or shrinking. We bring all the secrets together. This is a treasure for our awareness. We bring together all the vajras. This is the dominion of the Dharma. Whatever we may teach about a specific enumeration for those whose speciality it is to be mean, will be taught to them and specifically for them. We are beyond the praise and blame of our ideas. We do not mix them with the specifics on our ability. In just this there is truth. This is not, however, a siddhi. Those who are beyond this world and those of this world each have their individual abilities. Without our seeking it, our true nature is spontaneously realized. In the experience of non-duality, we are primordial Buddhas. The attributions of our ideas have characteristics. We hold to the demarcations that we attribute by ourselves. We also hold on to the essence of the meaning of the uncontrived as being our own essence. We strive for happiness and sorrow, liberation and non-liberation. All of us cling to our own essences. We even hold on to the earth, water, fire, wind, and sky as being primordially our own essence.